Naomi and Isabel!
Let's go! Let's go! We go to the trampoline? Let's go, let's go! So today is another great day. We will enjoy the whole day here at Fun City. Today will be a long day because we're having fun the whole day. So come on, be with us as we celebrate our National Fun Day.
Go to the trampoline! We're so excited. Again, we just did this. It's not our first time, but it's a long time since we didn't go here.
Let's go, let's go! Do you like that?
Yeah.
Oh, what's that? You need to swipe it. Swipe it. Here, here. You need to swipe it.
So guys, me and Isabel are having fun in this pretend taxi, and Isabel is the driver, and I'm so happy.
Where are you going?
To the trampoline!
How does it feel? Oh no, look at that. There are too many games that they could play. Oh, let's see later, huh? So come on, be with us the whole day. Continue watching.
Oh, I want to go in the trampoline. So guys, pumunta kami ng trampoline!
Oh, let's go now, let's go! So before we go to the trampoline, there are too many stopovers because they saw a lot of games that they really wanted to play. But we are aiming to go to trampoline. So let's see, okay? Let's see! Let's go! Come on, you they're very excited!
Come on guys, we're going to the trampoline!
Yeah!
So guys, we're in the trampoline and it's so fun, but mostly I was the only one to jump in that trampoline because it was so bouncy.
So after the trampoline, so what would be our next ride? Let's go! Let's take a look what's inside. Thank you.
What did you say?
Isabel! So remember guys, all the ride has a height limit. So not all the rides Isabel can do it. So but Naomi, she can do it. So later there will be more rides to come. Continue watching. How is it?
That's so dizzy!
Okay. Next ride. Okay. Gusto niyo dyan?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Oh, you give it to Kuya. Go na, go. Drop tower yan, ha? Drop tower, ha? Oh, next? What would be the next? Let's go!
I want to go on the ride.
Where? Let's go now, let's go, let's go, let's go!
I want to go there.
What's that? A camel!
Oh, it's all out.
Oh, I think it's not working.
Okay.
Is it open or no? It's not, so let's go on the other side.
Go here. No.
Do you know how to ride the car?
We have right car.
Do you know how to ride the car?
Okay.
It's what? It's not working, baby. Look at that.
Oh.
So you don't know how to ride the car?
Yeah.
We'll just go on the other side. A bump car. You like a bump car? Let's go, let's go. We're gonna go to bump car there, oh. Look at the bump car. Let's go. Let's go. Go.
Right now we're going to the bump car. Yay! I'm gonna go on the purple car. I'm just gonna go on the pink car.
Let's go,
Her and Mama. I'm gonna be by myself. Put the effects on. I can be with you. No, you don't have to drive.
Let's go. Sumujaan?
Yeah.
Sumujaan?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yes. Can I go with Isabel? Yeah. Isabel.
Is allowed?
You want to go? You want to go there? Yay! Mama, me and Isabel said we can go.
Okay, let's.
But that's higher.
Okay. Is it fun?
Yeah, so guys, we go to that really high one. And I was so scared. And we go with Mama, that's why she couldn't video us. Sorry guys. But I'm gonna tell you that it's very, very fun.
How about you? Do you enjoy?
I think home.
Oh, let's go, let's go. We go to trampoline now. Let's go. Oh, so. Let's go, let's go. Let's go.
I just like the first. Look.
Which one? Oh, we went there, diba?
Yeah.
Ooh, happy?
Yeah. So guys, what do you think is our next ride? But first, we gotta reload the car. Goodbye. Woo.